Hi viewers, welcome to this channel. Before you watch this video, so if you want real-time projects playlists, so those are available in this channel. So kindly watch those. And in this video, I am going to speak about why do we use machine learning with the Python in Power BI. What is the use? And what are the libraries required in order to work with the machine learning using Python in Power BI? So those topics I am going to cover here. So before we go into the topic, kindly subscribe to this channel, like it, share it, and join in the Telegram channel of Software Courses Work Support, which is given in the description. And if you have any doubts, you can call me through call me for app. And coming to the machine learning, why do we use machine learning in Power BI? So generally, machine learning is used to build and test the models we create in Power BI. So for that purpose, we will be using the machine learning. So you can use two types of programming languages in Power BI in order to work with the machine learning. One is nothing but the Python, that is by using Python script, and other one is nothing but R script. But generally, as we are speaking about a Python script, we shall discuss what are the libraries required for machine learning with Python in Power BI. So firstly, as we use the Python script as our programming language in Power BI here, so some of the libraries along with the Python should be installed in the laptop or PC. So coming to the Python libraries, you need to have scikit-learn kit. That is, scikit-learn kit is used to build and test the machine learning models in Power BI. And after that, you need to install the pandas. Already, if you have installed pandas, no worry, in order to clean the data. And after that, numpy for numerical calculations or manipulations. And after that, you need to have matplotlib for visualization, that is data visualization. And after that, seaborn, that is also for data visualization. So these are the 5 requirements of Python libraries in machine learning using Python in Power BI. And after that, you need to install the Power BI libraries also. In the Power BI libraries, you need to have Power BI machine learning library. So in order to build and deploy the machine learning models in Power BI. And after that, you need to have Power BI data science library. So in order to integrate the Power BI with this machine learning and Python script, if you use R script, R script. So those are the utilities you need to install. And after that, you need to install the Azure ML library. In the Azure ML library, you will be having two libraries. One is the Azure ML core and other one is the Azure ML dataset. So these are also very essential. And if you are using the deep learning model, so you need to install TensorFlow and PyTorch. So TensorFlow or PyTorch will be serving the same purpose in order to deploy models you and develop models using the deep learning models. So that is for algorithms. So you know that machine learning algorithms, deep learning algorithms, etc., etc. So those will be developed and deployed using the testing process. So these are the different libraries which are necessary to work with machine learning with the Python using Power BI. So kindly subscribe to this channel, like it, share it, and join in the Telegram group. Thank you so much. We shall go with further videos such as real-time experience videos, end-to-end projects. So kindly watch those also. Thank you so much.